morning, my peeps. How you all going today? Janine here again, guys. Rocking it out for us over 40s. Once again, my favorite thing to do is to look after us over 40s, guys. This morning, guys, I'm feeling pretty good. How are you guys all going out there? Nope, no bloodshot eyes today. So I've been getting such good sleeps, guys. Today, guys, I wanted to do a very quick look with yous. Who the heck said we cannot wear colourful, bright, well, you know, purples and everything like that. I love wearing different coloured makeup. It makes me feel good. I've always done that. There is no rules in makeup, guys, so you guys do how you feel. Today, guys, I feel like using my new Urban Decay Ultraviolet Palette, and I love this. I haven't used it yet, but I love Urban Decay. It's amazing, amazing brand, and I've got all of their palettes. I'm a palette collector. Here's the colours. I especially want to try this one right here. Yes, so I'm going to make us a very wearable look. I'm going to work as usual, but you know, we can wear whatever we want. I wear blues, I wear metallics, golds, everything, and yeah, I just, if I feel like wearing something, I'll do it. I don't care what people think. Life's too short for that. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. So today, guys, I definitely need some more glow on my face. I've been having some breakouts. Check that, guys. Definitely, you know, you can't stop it. I've done everything. I mean, so for those zits and when you feel like you're getting stressed, I mean, look at me. Hey, that's fine. I've been using my Medicate SOS, Blemish SOS, and it's been really helping. These kind of just came up yesterday. Don't know why. I mean, my sleeps have been good. Bit of a stressful day yesterday, but yeah. I need some glow today, guys. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Brightening Youth Glow. Amazing stuff. Let's get that on. Quite a bit. What do you guys think? Not bad, eh? Yep. Bit of foundation now, guys. I'm going to use my Lumiere as usual. I'm going to switch it up soon and change to something else. I always do that. I like trying new stuff, seeing what's out there, giving it a go, but I do have my go-tos. Let's get that on. Got dark circles under my eyes. Okay, guys, Hourglass concealer. It's gonna fix our eyes. It's gonna fix my eyes. I hope so. I'll do my hardest. Concealer brush, guys. I've got a feeling today, guys, that my makeup game's not on today. You know how you guys get that? You either have a really good makeup day or hair day, or you just, nothing's going to help you. I don't know. Maybe it's one of those days. Who cares? Let's do this. Push that in, guys. Yeah, it's okay. You know, it's the best I can do at this point in time, guys. Okay, my peeps, spot conceal time. Need a Benefit Boing. I need to clean this up a bit, actually. I will do that tonight. Thin brush. Let's do it. And this is still my favourite, guys. Beats that Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage. Well, for now, even. It's just the perfect colour for me. Fluffy brush, guys. Let's diffuse those edges. Not really sure what's going on today. Yeah, I need a lot more concealer than usual. And you know what, guys? If anyone pisses you off, or I've been saying, who cares a lot? Yep. Any negativity, any crap, just say, who cares? Carry on. Life's too damn short to be caring about what others think. Life's too short to be stressed out, even though it's impossible. It's good just to tell everyone to go get stuffed, and you know, you're feeling stressed, nothing's going to work for you. You're not going to feel it, and it's all in the mind. Thank the Lord, right? Bloody 44 years finally learning. Oh, life, it gives you all these lovely, I call them opportunities. Anyway, what do you think? Has that improved? Maybe. So just a little bit of powder, guys, before we do our eye makeup. Charlotte Airbrush Flawless Finish. You've got to take the time, guys, to treat people nicely. Anyway, Urban Decay Ultraviolet Palette. I love purples, I love blues. First time I've used this palette, guys, so your guys' guess is as good as mine. Woo! I'm especially excited about this one. Let's do it. I'm going to use the brush that's included in it because I washed all my brushes last night. Finally. I usually do it every Sunday, but I just wasn't feeling it. So let's get on there. We need a transition shade, guys. So let's go for something like, maybe Trippin'? Let's go for Hacked. Hacked. Ooh, this brush feels a bit hard. Nice. Yeah, nice, guys. Nice transition shade. And who the hell said that us over 40s can't bloody wear these kind of colours, blues, anything you damn well want? I've got my Jeffree Star palette there. This is one palette I wear all the time, Blue Blood. And I love it. I mean, this is one of his better ones. I'm not really into Jeffree too much, but I wear that all the time and I love it. I mean, I go for the, what do I go for? I usually go for Celebrity Skin first, and then I will put on I'm Cold, and then I'll do Blue Monday, chuck on some metallic, ooh, if I want to look like that, and I always do that. And I love this palette. It's one of my favorites in the blue sections. As I said, guys, first time I've used this. Let's get some of this purple on. Cyberpunk, eh? Yeah. Oh, same brush, just use the same brush. I love it, guys. Beautiful. Okay, my peeps, wipe your brush off. I'm going to use that same one. That's nice so far, right? And they blend like a dream, guys. But let's get some of this VR on. I get my MAC 248 for this one because it's a metallic and it needs to grab. Whoa. Ooh. Glittery. Wipe your brush off again. We're going to go in with another darker colour. Go back in with our purple dust, eh? That one. Yes. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Now with this one, guys, don't bring it all the way over here, just in the little V. And we'll clean that up a little bit after. You'll blend that out a bit more. Nice. Okay, my peeps, I am going to go and hit it with this one because I really want to try it. That's lovely. And I love it. Whoa. Uh-oh. I just really want to try it. Let's go for it. Oh! Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. Cool. let's blend. My peeps, let's blend that out, eh? Get a bit of that transition shade. Hacked. It's a bit. I love it. Yes. Clean it up where you need to, guys. Straighten up your edges. And that is very, very wearable to me. I love it. Urban Decay, guys. Ultraviolet. Oh, duochrome. Beautiful. Let's hit that bottom lash line. I'm going to use the other end of the brush that came. Let's just go for cyberpunk. Glittery, metallic-y. Okay guys, I definitely want to get some of this on the bottom lash line. Lucid. It's duochrome. A bit. And on the inside. Wow, it's duochrome. Let's clean it up. And I don't think I'll do it in the corner today because, yeah, there's something here. Yes, yes guys. Okay, my peeps, so that's a beautiful look so far. Don't worry, it's gonna look even better than this. Let's get our Charlotte brow lift on, Supermodel. Tommy Ford, Motion Proof Black. Nice. You guys could do a winged eyeliner. I don't like winged eyeliners. It just doesn't suit my eye shape for some bloody reason. For blush today, I'm going to use my Kevin R. Kwan. I love, look at it. Look at it, guys. Beautiful. This is Pink Sand. You can choose what shade you want. I might go for this one here. I've actually got a purple one. I was going to chuck that on. That might be a bit much. Yesterday I did my makeup and my makeup game definitely wasn't on, guys, and my blush was all up here. So I was freaking tired yesterday. So yeah. So with this, guys, just mix it around, or you could choose what shade you want. I love Kevin R. Kwan's blush. And I'm in a rush, guys, gotta get to work. Hey my peeps, so I'm gonna use my Charlotte Airbrush bronzer, number 2, medium one. Let's get up there. So today, guys, my highlighter, I'm gonna use my, oops, excuse my dustiness, Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in the color Solar Crush. Yes, she's beautiful. She's golden, she's tinny, my gosh, I love it. Whoa. Give yourself that J-Lo glow, my peeps. Yes. What do you think of the look so far? I love, look at it. I love it under that lower lash line. Yep, I'm good. Urban Decay All Nighter, guys. And setting spray is a must, guys. It melts everything in so you don't look so powdery. I mean, if you can see that, I look a lot better now. A lot better, even though my makeup game is not on. But check out our look. Tarte's mascara, guys. The bomb. Make extended play, guys. Patty McGrath, Earth Angel, perfect. Metallic-y, duochrome, Earth Angel. Love her lip glosses. This one's but they're nothing, they don't stay like those Anastasia ones. Pat McGrath, guys, the queen of duochromes. What do you guys think? Gorgeous, eh? Look at that. I think that is so wearable. Yes, and our perfume today, my peeps, is going to be my Tommy Black Orchid. Pump your hair up. Mine's a bit flat. Let's get our Tommy on us. Oh, I am wearing my black tight dress. Yep. Below the knees, of course, below the knees, but you know, still rocking it, guys, still rocking it. So I've got one last thing I want to show you guys, which is so good for our age. If you guys are anything like me, my hands are very dry. I've got calluses on my hands from the gym. Yeah, it's all from the bar at the gym. So my hands are dry, and I think aging, especially the first thing you obviously look at, you know, besides the face, is the neck. So you gotta look after that. And the hands, guys really do show your age. So I've bought this beautiful hand cream from Chantecaille, and it's a retinol one. First retinol hand cream I've ever actually seen. You can obviously use your face stuff when you do it, but I always forget. But this is a lovely one. Yes, I must try it out. I want to get rid of my wrinkles, my foundation. But you use this, guys, and I've been using it for about 4 days. I've been looking for something for my hands, but that's a good option. Mind you, I do wash my hands a lot, even at work, so it doesn't really stay on there, but you know, we'll try. So what do you guys think? I love it. Ultraviolet, guys, Urban Decay, love it. Always love Urban Decay, I always have. I've got all of their palettes, but thank you guys for watching, and check you guys later, and you guys all have a great day. Laters. Hello my beautiful peeps. It is I. I wanted to show all my lovely ladies out there, lovely guys, how to get your glow on, you know. So let's check out this look. Excuse my, oh, looks good. Check that out, guys, check that out. Excuse my glasses marks. If you want to get rid of this, by the way, you just put a bit of powder on your sunglasses. I can't be bothered, to be honest. But don't you guys love it? Check out that green. Who the hell said we couldn't wear purples? And you know, nobody is to tell us over 40s what to do. It's not just for the youngies, guys. Hell no. And you know, we are still young, all of us. As long as you have a young attitude, young perspective on life, laugh a lot, joke around a lot, everything like that. Keep our youth. Keep positive, don't let anyone get in your guys' way. You guys have a great day. Get that negative vibe away. Don't let anyone get in your way of your goals. Improve yourselves. I'm still improving. Keep it going, keep it maintained. Maintain yourself, maintain your body, your mind, body and mind, maintain your spirituality, everything. But yeah, great day, guys.